A few weeks ago, I announced on my social media that I was going to take a break to reset. I had been feeling like I was heading down the wrong path for my channel and towards a lifestyle that I didn't truly want. So I needed some space and time away from the daily noise to rethink my plans and do some soul searching. What I thought was going to just be another Instagram story announcement resulted in more replies than usual. Several of you, surprisingly a lot of other creators, responded to me saying that you're also going through a similar season in your life, and that you go through it pretty often. It was reassuring to know that I wasn't alone. If anything, it was a really good reminder of how important it is to step back once in a while to realign with yourself. Not just for creators, but for everyone. During my break, I pondered some questions including, what's my ideal life? Which habits do I need to work on to create this life? How do I want to help my community? What am I currently neglecting in my life that is important to me? And what other YouTubers are living the life that I want? I wrote it all down so that I can always come back to this point and remind myself of my values. After journaling, I made some actionable plans to get closer to these goals. This soul searching led me to the main conclusion that I want to better align the life I want to live at home with this channel and share more of homemaking that I enjoy. I want to start every video project from a place of love and share about it, instead of creating for the sake of posting something. See, I'd felt like I'd backed myself into a corner of makeovers and decor videos, when in fact it was living an overall fulfilled home life that mattered more to me than just churning out content. If you're also feeling like you're in a rut or out of alignment with yourself, I encourage you to also reset. Spend some time alone, maybe go out in nature or your cozy nook at home, and think about what matters to you and whether you're living true to your values. Sometimes life can get so busy and hectic, and we may feel like we're losing control over our own lives. But we can always take a step back and decide how we want to move forward. So how does this all relate to cleaning? Whenever I need a reset, cleaning my physical space becomes a priority. Decluttering allows me to think more clearly and frees my mind of distractions. I had been delaying deep cleaning this past spring season, and this felt like the perfect time to do it before ending my soul-searching break. Deep cleaning can be a part of your self-discovery process because you get to face every little corner of your home and your belongings. Maybe the things that are collecting dust will be more useful in someone else's home, or maybe you just forgot about it and want to bring it back into your life. For a while now, we've had our yoga mats behind the sofa, and though we haven't forgotten them entirely, they tend to pick up dust back there. Since yoga at home is something I'm working on to do more regularly, I decided to place them right by the TV for now in this thrifted magazine holder, with the hopes that having them be visible here will help me associate the living room with yoga and help me build the habit of doing it. There's actually a term for this method by James Clear, the author of Atomic Habits, called location-based cues. Since we mentally associate parts of our routine with a location, you can leverage that to help build a habit. One way I've adapted this successfully is by placing my vitamin bottle right next to the espresso machine. Now, every morning, I take my vitamins right before drinking the cup of Americano Jason makes for me. It is a habit so ingrained that I don't remember the last time I forgot. Do you remember the journal prompts I mentioned earlier? Well, those can be asked for your home as well. What's my ideal home like? Which home habits do I need to create to live this life? How do I want to help those who live with me or those who visit? What am I neglecting in my home that is important to me? And which homes inspire me? And why? As I work from home every day and also share about it here on YouTube, it feels more significant than ever to ponder these things and connect it back to my own values. I don't think that my self-discovery journey will ever end. I'm constantly learning more about myself and also growing into the person that I've always been. It's such a strange thing, isn't it? To grow and change, but also to rediscover the soul that's always been there since you were a little child. This entrepreneurial experience of doing YouTube has accelerated my self-discovery journey in ways I couldn't have imagined. And I'm thinking now that resets will become a normal part of business. It makes sense now why even companies need quarterly retreats to rethink their own mission and values. Anyways, I hope this video made you feel less alone if you're also going through some soul searching. I appreciate you all being here, and I am so excited to share more parts of homemaking that I love from here on out. If you're wondering what this means for my channel, I'll still be posting decor videos because I love decorating, but I'll also be sprinkling in more topics like this, cleaning. If you enjoyed this kind of video, I'd love to hear from you below. Give this video a thumbs up and a little broom emoji down below to let me know that you made it this far. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.